Hey guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. First, open calendar application. In it, press on the day when you want to add your event, maybe 29th of our February. And after we press on it, we tap on this plus icon. And there first we can add title of our event and get emoji to that, and we can change color which we see in our calendar application. There we can set when event starts and finish, or we can set by the switch it will be all day. Location of our event, there we can add event to our family member or friend group on the Gmail calendar. There we can set when we get alert about our event and we get reminders by this one. Next function, repeat of our event, maybe every year, what you need. There we can add notes to event, video conference, attachment. We can invite some people, and after we set all we need, we press save, and we have it in our calendar right now with our emoji and color. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.